Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be going over the best 5 AI tools that you should be using in 2022 for writing your long form articles or even your YouTube scripts. And best of all these tools are free to use. Now let's get into the video. At number 5, we have articlegenerator.org. Article Generator is an automatic online tool developed to help those who want to create fresh content for any purpose. Whether you need content for your website, SEO, blog, or YouTube. And it can do all this for you in just a matter of seconds, without any effort and for free. Just add the keyword of the topic you want to generate an article on and click on Generate Article to get a fresh article. I can just easily put in a title like How to Lose Weight Fast. After doing that, you can just leave the search mode on public and also select the language menu on whatever language you want, either English, French, German, Spanish, or whatever language you want your article to be in. After doing that, leave the remaining slots the same and click on Generate Article. And your article has been generated. Well, I don't really fancy this tool because you need to impute your generated article into a plagiarism checker to still check for its originality. My advice is to have QBot paraphrasing tool and QText plagiarism checker tool to just be safe. I am unbiased with any tool I recommend on this channel, so you can choose to give it a try. And now let's move on to the next tool. And at number 4, we have Simplified.com. Simplified is an AI tool that you can use completely for free. Simplified is known for its other features like its graphic designs and social media management tools. But what I'll go over today is its article writing abilities. You can write long-form content faster with Simplified Long-Form Writer. You can generate blogs, articles, and even books. And you can improve your copy with the article writer, sentence expander, and AI paragraph generator. You get up to 1,000 words per month using Simplified. You also have access to their AI writing assistant. Simplified is a nice tool, but I feel the learning process of Simplified is way too overcomplicated. I know it's ironic, because trying out this tool for this video, the first look of this tool was kind of daunting, and once you can get past that, Simplified is a really great tool for you to use. So they also offer a tutorial on their website. You can check out the tutorial first before using the tool, because you just going straight into Simplified is going to really make the process much harder than it should be. So give this tool a try, and let's move on to the next tool. And third on the list, we have Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. You can get this tool for free without upfront payment or submitting your credit card. They have over 1.5 million happy users, and they are really highly rated by trusted sources like Trustpilot and G2 Crowd. You can save time by creating SEO curated content that converts with just a few clicks of the button. With Rytr free plan, you can generate up to 5,000 characters per month. Take notes, characters, not words. They provide an inbuilt plagiarism checker to make sure that your article provided are all unique and original. After signing up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Then go to the left hand side of the screen and click on Choose Use Case and select Blog Idea and Outline. This will generate the title of your article and outline, plus keywords to add for the next step. After generating the title and outline, then you go to the blog section writing and put in the topic and the keyword that you got from the blog idea and outline. And then all you just have to do is click on Write for me. As you can see, I just did a few, but you get the point. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how to use this tool, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's move to the next tool. At number 2, we have Anyword. Anyword is one of the best AI article writer out there, and if not the best for me. This is one of the AI blog writers I use for most of my blogs on Medium. In just 3 months of starting, I was able to publish up to 20 long form articles thanks to Anyword. For their free plan, you can generate up to 1,000 words per month, and they also offer a free inbuilt plagiarism checker. When starting out, you get a free trial of their best plan for 7 days. And to sign up, just click on Start. After signing up and landing on your dashboard, go to the left hand side and click on Blog Wizard. Then you can put in your ideas and keywords into the article generator. And after that, you get different variations of titles to select from. You can choose to edit it however you like, and then an outline will be provided for you based on the topic and the keywords that you have chosen. And you can also edit that too. Then after all that, you'll be given different variations of intros that will be offered to you, and you can select from either of them and also edit the intros however you want. Then you will be sent to the editor to start generating your text. And I noticed a trick for getting a more accurate write-up for your articles. All you just have to do is copy the text and put it on the right hand side of the screen, and then generate either a long or medium amount of words so that you can get a more detailed write-up on your article. If you also want a more detailed tutorial on this tool, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. At number 1, we have Writesonic. Writesonic is a free AI writing tool that offers more than just blog writing, but everything that concerns copywriting. But let's stick with its blog writing abilities. For the free version, you can get more than 6,000 words per month, and that is very generous because the other tools basically gives you from 1,000 to 2,000 or 3,000 words per month. Now click on Get Started and you get redirected to a sign up page. You can sign in with just one click by either your Gmail account or Microsoft account. Now after signing up, this is the page you see. Now click on AI Rytr 3.0 to get started with generating your blog. Now put in your title, and you can also select from any language of your choice from the menu, and you can also choose the quality of the words that you want to. So you can select from good or premium. So those are the two I recommend for you. You get as many options as the number of outputs that you put right here. So then from there you can generate your intro paragraph, and after that you can generate your outline for the topic that you have chosen to write about. After following all those steps, then a done for you article will be ready for you. So if you also want a complete tutorial on this, leave your comments below. Now that I've come to the end of this video, do you agree with my list? Comment below your favorite article generator in or outside this list. And if you've made it this far, please do leave a like on this video, and that would make me motivated to make more videos for you on the daily. And please do subscribe if you want to, and also smash the notification bell for more daily videos. And check out this video right here on 5 free tools that you definitely need to be using as a blogger or YouTuber. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that video too. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.